stop off at the very popular farmers market by the port. It's filled with all kinds of flowers, vegetables, fresh fruits, and it's where I get to taste some more apple ciders and syrup. This is a great indoor market with all kinds of tastings, including cheese. Then, after having some very tasty local award-winning cheeses, it's finally the much talked about Cassis, a wine made from ripe, plump black currants.
It's going to be perfect with dry white wine.
The very fragrant berries create delicious aperitifs, can be served over ice or even ice cream, and the one I get to taste is a great addition for sangria.
You're not far from the ship. Uh-oh. Deadly.
Yeah.
That's so good.
I really like this market. There's so many things to taste, and quite a few to sip too.